Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a certificate signing request on the server, because that generates the private key that stays local. First, make sure IIS or the certificate services tools are installed and you run as an administrator. Then craft an INF file with subject name, SIN entries, key length, and exportable option. This controls identity and compatibility. Once done, execute Certrec new request. Inf request. CSR to produce the CSR file, which you will submit to the certificate authority. After you have the CSR, submit it to your chosen certificate authority and request the correct template and key usages, because wrong options break service binding. When the CA returns a SIR or P7B, import it into the local machine personal store using CertLM. MSC or Run Certrec accept returned, SIR which matches it to your private key. Once installed, bind the certificate in IIS or configure RDP and other services to use the new thumbprint. This activates secure TLS for your server communications. Finally, export a PFX only if you need to move the certificate, ensuring you include the private key and protect it with a strong password. Make sure you mark the key as exportable earlier. Verify the certificate chain, SIN entries and validity dates, and then test TLS in browsers or with tools. If the certificate won't bind, check that the private key exists in the personal store. If missing, repair with Certutil Repair Store or reissue the CSR. This is the quickest fix for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.